how to turn off or on shipment notifications on Amazon on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and then click settings, and here we'll find that here's it, notifications. And now here we'll find second one here, your shipments. Now we can turn off or on shipment notifications, here's it, and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.